To create hypermedias with the Hypermedia app, start clicking on the orange plus button. You can either choose to record yourself or upload videos from your device. For uploading videos from your device, click on Upload Video. Select a video, click on Save, and it will be processed. You can add more videos by clicking on the squared plus button below. For checking your video, simply click on the eye icon. To start adding content to your video, click on the round plus button and select the type of content. We are now going to select URL/link. Follow the steps and add a title and the URL/link. Then, set when this content will appear and disappear in your video. Finally, click on OK. For adding another content, click again on the round plus button. We will now select Pop-up Ad and follow the steps. Type in the text and customize it with bold with the B icon, italic with the I icon, or both. You can also add an image from your device. Then, set when this content will appear and disappear in your video. Finally, click on OK. Review your video and click on Play. You will notice the icons of your contents top of your video. Once happy with your video, click on Post. Type in a title for your video and a description. Then select a category. You can also add tags with letters, numbers, or both. Select the privacy of your video. You can choose public in Hypermedia Lab so any user will be able to watch your video. If you choose private, your video will only be accessible for those receiving a link. You can also select the community option for Hypermedia Lab members in that community. In this case, only members registered in that community will access your video. Finally, click on Send and your Hypermedia will be processed and posted in Hypermedia Lab.